beautiful day for an adventure!
The map says the crystal is hidden in the sugar forest.
Did someone say adventure? I am programmed for fun!
Wow, it looks so sweet. Follow the chocolate path. It leads to the hills.
Oops! My circuits are getting sticky!
Hold on tight, Bubbles. I've got you.
Boing, this is so much fun. I can see the Cloud Palace from here. How do we get all the way up there? Look, a gummy bird. He wants to give us a ride. Chirp, chirp. Wow, let's go.
Whee! I'm flying!
Wow, we made it!
Yay! This cloud is so soft.
Soft landing! Good bird!
Welcome, little heroes. Are you looking for the crystal? It is hidden in the crystal cave, deep inside the Rainbow Mountain.
Thank you, King. Next stop, Rainbow Mountain.
Farewell, my friends. Safe travels.
It's even more beautiful than the map showed.
Don't worry, friends. I have high-power headlights. Stay close, everyone. It's a bit spooky.
We need to press the colors in the order of the rainbow. Red, orange, yellow, green, and blue.
There it is! The rainbow crystal!
It feels so warm and happy.
We did it! We found the source of joy!
Let's get this back to Candy Town!
You got it, Leo. Crystal secure. Proceeding?
Almost there, team! They're back! Hooray! Welcome back!
They're back! Look! Hello, everyone! We're so happy to be back!
Thank you! We've missed you! Your welcome is the best!
Fountain of joy, shine again!
It's working! Everything is so bright! Best adventure ever!
See you next time, friends!